shit before. When men please you the way they know, men love you the way they know. But this is me, and there is certain things I've got to know before we hit that stumbling block. Baby girl, let's have a chat about love and what you need, what you expect from me. Cause I think it's only fair that I let you know, baby, I'll only make love to you naturally, that's the way it's supposed to be. I'll only make love to you naturally, that's the way it's supposed to be. Slow it down, girl, don't move so fast. There is some question that I like to ask. See if this relationship will last. See, I'm different in many ways. There's some things that I can't change, but there are some things that's gonna remain the same. Do you really think you really wanna take this road? A few years from now, don't want this to be a problem, that there's a heavy load. I only make love to you naturally, that's the way it's supposed to be. I'll only make love to you naturally, that's the way it's supposed to be. Girl, I don't wanna talk about financial things and trust. Let us talk about likes and dislikes in both of us. Girl, cause I'm the kind of man who like to take things really slow. I think you should know that I don't go